Tesla launches Powerwall in Thailand. Tesla has launched the sale and installation of Powerwall in Thailand. The company is working with a certified local installer to provide the Thai people with the best batteries for energy storage. Tesla Energy enters the Thai market. Powerwall is now available to order, as spotted by tsla Chan Twitter. This was made possible through a partnership with a local, certified installer, Solar D Corporation. The cost of Powerwall in Thailand is 699,000 baht, about $20,300. Tesla only works with certified Powerwall installers who are trained to install the product. They adhere to strict quality, licensing, and audit requirements. After installation, the entire system is checked, and clients get access to it through their application. Powerwall, installed with solar panels, is a home power management system that helps households generate and store electricity for use 24 hours a day, thereby reducing dependence on the power grid. In addition, if the power grid fails, the system switches to backup power to prevent power surges and protect electrical devices in the home. In the spring of 2022, Solar D became the first firm in Asia to be certified by Tesla as a battery installer. Since then, Solar D has promoted Powerwall by featuring it at several local shows. The company expects its revenues to grow 100% this year to 1 billion baht, about $29 million, thanks to its partnership with Tesla and the growing demand for solar energy in Thailand. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.